What's your name?
My name is
My name is Tin. How old are you, Tin?
My name is Happy.
How old are you, baby? How old? 4 or 5? I'm... Are you only 3? Wow, so young. I thought you're 4. I'm 3.
I'm free.
Well done. Where are you from?
Vietnam.
I'm from Vietnam.
I'm from Vietnam.
All right, now, Tim, repeat after teacher. Let's practice. Where is letter U? Okay, U.
You.
And the sound is up, up, up. Very good. Where is the... Okay, let's see. Uniform.
Uniform.
Show me. Look, Tin. Uniform. Very good. Uniform.
Uniform.
Now find the picture of the unicorn. Here. Tim. Tim. Eyes on teacher, Tim.
Tin.
Unicorn. Okay. Yes. Unicorn. It's a unicorn. You cannot see clearly because you're blocking. Okay. Look at. Hold it like this. Hold it, baby. Okay. And then you point. Okay. Unicorn. No. Tin. Look at me. Unicorn. It's a unicorn. Now, where is the umbrella? I'm looking for the umbrella. Umbrella! It's an umbrella. Okay, it's colorful, right? Now, show me the unhappy face. Unhappy face. Go. Unhappy face. Very good. Unhappy.
I'm happy.
Okay. Unhappy.
I'm happy.
Now, where's the ukulele? Ukulele. It's brown. Okay. Ukulele. It's small. And it's brown, right? Okay. Now, show me the unicycle. The unicycle.
Circle.
Unicycle. All right. And of course, look at the apple. It's under the table.
Apple.
Okay, it's under the table, right? Under. The apple is under the table. Up, under. Say goodbye. Bye-bye.